Let me tell you how to prepare the agarose gel in a conventional way. Suppose this is the gel platform. So these two are fixed walls. This side it is open, the other side is also open. So before pouring the gel solution, we have to seal the open ends using cellophane tape. The other side also we have to do the similar way. Then you have to keep it on a horizontal table and you can pour the gel like this and allow the gel to solidify. It will take about 10 to 15 minutes. So after pouring the gel, you have to keep the comb like this for forming wells. Once it is solidified, you have to transfer this gel with the comb to the unit, cellophane tape completely. So this is how we can do it. You have to place the gel, then afterwards, after pouring the buffer, you have to remove the comb slowly like this. So this is the conventional method of solidifying the agarose gel in the gel platform. So let me tell you the drawbacks and advantages with this gel platform. First thing is, this is very easy to do it in a lab. Simply by putting the cellophane tape, you can block the gel platform. That is the easiest method. But afterwards, removing the gel, cutting and removing the cellophane tape is that is going to disturb the gel and comb. Second thing, so even after removing the cellophane tape, when you are using subsequently, the cellophane tape will leave gum onto the walls of the gel platform that ultimately will spoil the platform clarity. And third one is, when you are using a bigger platform, the cellophane tape will not work conveniently, because when you are using large volume of the hot agarose solution, the hot solution may leak through cellophane tape, because the cellophane tape is not 100% leak proof. So in order to overcome these three difficulties, Biotech has designed a simple gel casting table. This doesn't require any cellophane tape sealing arrangement or any other sealing method. This is very easy. I can show you right now how to arrange this. This consists of one fixed acrylic bar pasted with foam. This is the foam. So the other one, this is a free one and it is moving over the table like this. There are different holes. So this is a wedge arrangement, wedge and screw arrangement. So moving this acrylic bar, depending on the size of the gel platform, like this. Suppose you are using this platform, you can fix the wedge arrangement here. It has to go like this. This is the wedge arrangement and the narrow end should be pointing downwards. So here also in the moving, the broader end should be at the bottom. Like this you have to keep. Then you have to screw it and make it tight. Suppose you are going to do smaller platforms. One platform you can do like this. If you want to prepare two gels simultaneously, That also you can do. One more, you can do like this. Two platforms you can keep simultaneously and do the solidification like this. So I will show you how to prepare the gel in a bigger one. So this is how you have to do it. Just arrange it and put this. These two ends are sealed due to the pressure of the wedge arrangement. Suppose you are turning like this, so it will go and push the moving free acrylic bar towards the open end, so it will press like this and the platform will be sealed. Another arrangement is, suppose the table is not even, the solution, when it is solidifying, one side it will be thicker and the other side it will be thin. So in order to avoid that, in the table, we have fixed one sprit level. This is a sprit level. So you can also adjust the plane of the table conveniently looking at the sprit level. So now the plane is arranged perfectly. Then you can pour the agar solution like this and keep the comb and leave it for some time for solidification of the agarose gel. Then afterwards, you have to loose the screw and slide the gel platform, and you can place it over here for electrophoresis. So this is the easiest way. So 3 difficulties you are overcoming. Number 1, you don't require any cellophane tape. Second thing is removing the cellophane tape, no need. And leveling also perfectly taken care of. So this way you can prepare the agarose gel very conveniently, easily.